Hello students, welcome to Saurav's classes. Today our topic is quantitative aptitude and we have to solve some questions. Here two pie charts are given and these charts are based on the percentage of students enrolled in different streams in a college. Now the total number of students here is 3,500 and the departments are IT, Arts, Science, Commerce and Management, and the percentages are also given. Now the percentage breakup of girls enrolled in these streams out of the total students, the total number of girls are 1500 and here the percentages are given of which department how much percentage of girls are present. Now we have to solve some questions. So let's go to the questions. Our first question is for stream IT, the number of girls is how much percent less than number of boys IT? So to find out any percentage in any stream for the boys, we have to deduct this percentage value of girls from this total number of students. So in case of IT, percentage of girls in IT department is 18% and the total number of students in IT department is 20%. So now let's solve the question. Here 5 options are given and we have to choose the right one. So the total number of girls, the total number of girls in stream IT is equals to, it was given 18%, so and the total number of girls were 1500, so into 18 by 100, that is equals to 270. Now the total number of boys, the total number of boys in stream IT is, total number of students was 3,500 and the percentage of IT students were 20%, so 3,500 into 20 by 100, this one minus this value, that is 270, that is equals to 700 minus 270 is equals to 430. Now the required percentage, the required percentage is 430 minus 270 divided by 430 into 100, that is equals to 160 by 430 into 100 is equals to 37.20%. So for stream IT, the number of girls is 37.20% less than the number of boys IT. So here option 1 is the correct answer. Now let's go to our next question. Our next question is, what is the total number of boys? The total number of boys enrolled in management and IT together. So we have to find the total number of boys who are enrolled in management and IT together. So the number of boys in the management, again we have to deduct the number of girls in the management from the total number of students in the management. So the number of boys in management is equals to total number of students in management, that is 3,500, into, it was 16%, so 16 by 100, minus number of girls in the management, that was total number of girls, that is 1,500, into the percentage of girls in management was 12%, so is 12 by 100. So this value is 560 minus 180, that is 380. Now the total number of boys in IT, we get this value in the previous sum, that and the value was 430. So the total number of boys in both management and IT is equals to 380 plus 430, that is equals to 810. So option 2, that is 810, is the correct answer. So the total number of boys in both the department management and IT together is 810. Now let's go to our next question. The question is, what is the respective ratio of number of girls enrolled in arts to the number of boys enrolled in science? So at first we have to find the number of girls who are enrolled in arts and the number of boys who are enrolled in science. So to find the number of boys enrolled in science, we have to deduct the number of girls enrolled in science from the total number of students who are enrolled in science. So let's start. Number of girls in arts, the total number of girls, that was 1,500, into the percentage was 38%, so 38 divided by 100, that is equals to 570. Now the number of boys in science, the number of boys in science, this is the total number of students, that was 3,500, into the percentage of total number of students who are enrolled in science is 22%, so this one is 22 by 100, minus the total number of girls, that was 1,500, into number of girls enrolled in science, that was 11%, So 11 by 100 is equals to 770 minus 165, that is equals to 605. So this is the total number of boys who are enrolled in science, and this is the total number of girls who are enrolled in arts. So the ratio of these two is, the required ratio is 570 is to 605, that is 114 is to 121. So option 3, that is 114 is to 121 is the correct answer. So the respective ratio of number of girls enrolled in arts to the number of boys enrolled in science is 114 is to 121. So this is our answer. Now let's go to our next question. Okay, to see the percentage of boys and girls in different departments, you can pause my video and go to the pie chart and see it. So now here is our last question. The question is, what is the total number of girls? What is the total number of girls enrolled in science and commerce together? So we have to find the total number of girls who are enrolled in science and the total number of girls who are enrolled in commerce. Then we have to add the values. So now the number of girls, total number of girls in science and commerce together is total number of girls, that was 1500, into percentage of girls enrolled in science was 21%, so this is 21, and enrolled in commerce was 11%, divided by 100, and this is equals to 1500 into 32 by 100, that is equals to 480. So 480, that is option 4, is the total number of girls who are enrolled in science and who are enrolled in commerce together. So this is our answer.